Welcome to my channel Sociology 3-in-1, and today's lecture we will talk about the different themes of a culture, that how a culture is being developed from different themes. So let's start. M.E. Olfer has put forward the concept of themes to explain integration. Themes are defined as a general motivations which are responsible for various sets of behavior types in a society. His themes are not tied down to any types. He leaves that to every field investigator to find out for himself in the process of research. Themes are the specific expressions of cultural integrations in each individual case. Olper illustrated how this concept may be used in his account of the Apache life ways. The concepts of pattern and themes are both keys to the specific structure and character of a way of living in a society. Here are some examples of themes that may be associated with a culture in a given society. First one is that of beliefs and religion. Second is that of social structure and hierarchy of the society. Then there are art and literature which form the themes of a given culture. Language and communications are also counted as themes of a culture. Customs and traditions are another example. Then cuisine and food culture, and music and dance style of different people. Fashion and style. This is also an example of themes of culture. Historical heritage is another example which we can say is a theme. And then different types of taboos and superstitions prevailing in a society. These are themes can help to define and distinguish a particular culture and provide insights into the values, practices, and worldviews of the people who belong to that culture. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Please like, share, and comment.